Hello, my name is Alex, and I want to tell you all about my new shoes. They are the coolest pair I've ever had. Last Saturday, my mom took me to a big shoe store in the city center. It was so exciting because there were shelves full of different types of shoes. Sneakers, sandals, boots, you name it. After looking around for a while, I spotted these awesome blue and white sneakers. They immediately caught my eye because they had a really cool design with a mix of colors. The best part was that they had laces that I could tie myself, which made me feel like a grown-up. I tried them on, and wow, they were super comfy. The inside felt soft, and when I walked around the store, my feet didn't hurt at all. The store assistant was really helpful. He measured my feet to make sure I got the right size. He brought out a few different sizes for me to try on. And we finally found the perfect fit. It's really important to wear shoes that fit well, because it keeps your feet happy and helps you walk and play without any discomfort. When we decided on the sneakers, my mom taught me how to take care of them. She said I should clean them if they get dirty, especially after playing outside. I should also keep them in a safe place when I'm not wearing them, so they stay in good shape for a long time. I wore my new shoes to school the next Monday, and everyone thought they were cool too. They go really well with jeans and even with shorts. I feel proud when I wear them, because they make me feel confident and ready for anything. Since getting my new shoes, I've been taking really good care of them. I wipe them clean if they get muddy, and make sure to untie the laces gently when I take them off. I want them to last a long time because they're now my favorite pair. I'm looking forward to wearing them to play with my friends in the park this weekend. We love playing soccer, and I know my new sneakers will be perfect for running around and kicking the ball. Maybe next time I go shopping with my mom, I'll look for another cool pair of shoes. It's fun to have different shoes for different occasions.
Pair, pair, pair. I bought a new pair of shoes that match perfectly with my outfit. Laces. 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 I carefully tied the laces of my new sneakers before heading out to play. Discomfort. 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 Wearing shoes that are too tight can cause a lot of discomfort throughout the day. Dirty. 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 After playing in the mud, my shoes were completely dirty and needed a good cleaning. Feel free to express any ideas you'd like to share in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video soon.